Hey, everyone, how are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Apple. I am a member of the rose family, along with peaches, plums, and strawberries. I have over 7,500 known varieties. I have many colors, including red, green, yellow, and even pink. I am a good source of fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients. I can regulate blood sugar levels and lower the risk of diabetes. I contain 0 grams of fat and sodium and have no cholesterol. I can help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer. I support the brain health and cognitive function. My recorded weight over 4 pounds. I were originally grown in Kazakhstan. Johnny Appleseed was a real person who planted my trees across the United States in the 1800s. I have 10 seeds on average. I am the second most popular fruit in the United States, after bananas. It takes about 36 apples to make 1 gallon of apple cider. I can be stored for up to 10 months, if kept in a cool, dark place. The science of growing apples is called pomology. I were once believed to have magical properties, and I were used in divination rituals. The phrase "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" originated in Wales in the 1800s. My trees can live up to 100 years. My seeds contain a small amount of cyanide, but you would need to eat a lot of seeds to be poisoned. Apple pie is the most popular type of pie in the United States. I am often used as a symbol of knowledge in literature and art. I were used as a currency in ancient Rome. My wood is used to make furniture, flooring, and even musical instruments. My first apple orchard in the United States was planted in Boston in 1625. The apple blossom is the state flower of Michigan. The top apple-producing countries in the world are China, the United States, and Turkey. I am official state fruit of New York. The Honeycrisp apple was developed at the University of Minnesota. I am often included in traditional autumn celebrations, such as Halloween and Thanksgiving. Our trees are not self-pollinating, meaning we require cross-pollination from another tree. The first apple cider press was invented in the 1700s. I were brought to Australia by British settlers in the early 1800s. I am used to make a variety of products, including vinegar, jelly, and even wine. The Granny Smith apple was named after its discoverer, Maria Ann Smith, in the 1800s. I am often used as a natural teeth whitener. The Red Delicious apple is the most widely recognized apple variety in the world. I am often used in cooking to add sweetness to savory dishes. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.